Okay, dear students, today's class will be on derivation of this as what I discussed previous videos regarding module 5. Okay, already have started this and we have gone through building algorithm, this basics, so different modifications, how branches and links has to be added. So based upon that, thorough derivations will be there, addition of branch as well as addition of link. Okay, now I'll be going for derivation with mutual coupling. At last you have to use cases, so without mutual coupling. So whatever cases we are using, same thing you have to use while doing problems also. Okay, let us go for derivation now. So explain this step-by-step algorithm for the formation of bus matrix when a branch is added to a partial network. Okay, so now while doing a branches, so here you have to do you have to derive for diagonal as well as off diagonal values. Okay, and total 4 derivations you are getting. For branches 2, one is diagonal and there is off diagonal. For links another 2 diagonal, off diagonal. And one thing what you have to remember while adding a branch, so generally while doing any problem, so extra row and column gets added. And while adding a link for a particular network, even though starting extra row and column gets added, but there a fictitious node it will create. So afterwards that has to be removed. So for a link, 2 steps you have to follow. One is addition of link, afterwards you have to remove that. Okay, so now this is the basic, and here we are using type 1 type 2 modification for addition of branch. Let us do this addition of branch with diagonal as well as off diagonal. First I will derive for diagonal, that is z of qi, off diagonal. First I will derive for off diagonal, afterwards we will go for diagonal, that is z of qq. Okay, to derive this, let us take this matrix. This is the matrix, okay, as what we are using here, and E is equals to Z into I, as you know. V is equals to Z into I, that is nothing but E bus is equals to Z bus into I bus. I am taking different variables E1, E2, EP up to EM, EQ. Different variables you have to take. Okay, we want here EQ because we are finding your ZQ, and whatever voltages you are writing, same thing you are writing in terms of impedance also. And this matrix I am writing like Z11, 1, 2 up to 1M, 1Q. Same thing you have to write in terms of matrix, so on. And so many currents I am taking I1 up to IQ. Okay, let us take this here, and here 2 conditions we are getting. One is mutual coupling also you will be getting here. Variables we are taking here. Okay, let us, before going to that, let us do this. First you have to find here the value of Z of Qi, impedance you have to find. To find Z of Qi and off diagonal. Okay, so now I am writing these values. E is equals to Z into I. First find out what is E1. E1 is equals to Z 1 into I1, like that. Okay, same thing here, E1 is equals to not 1 I, Z1I into II. Okay, E1. E2 is equals to Z2I into II. EP, ZPI into II. Okay, and what about EQ? EQ andre ZQI into II. Now what you have to do here, this current you take it 1 per unit. Okay, while doing all derivations, slight change will be there. So I am taking here 1 per unit. So EQ is equals to what you will be getting? ZQI. Okay. So now, as you know, before going to this, just I'll take this one. So this is the partial network. So when branch is added to a partial network, P belongs to a particular network, Q belongs to outside. Okay, if you are adding a link, both belongs to partial network, right? So now this will be the voltage VPQ. This voltage is nothing but between P and Q. Okay, this voltage VPQ is nothing but voltage between P and Q. So what you have to find here, this is nothing but EP minus EQ is equals to VPQ. Is it? So now what you have to do here, same thing we are doing here in this derivation. So now what I'll do here, I just know you got II is equals to 1 per unit. So EQ is equals to ZQI. So therefore VPQ, not minus, it is VPQ is equals to EP minus EQ. Okay. So now this voltage I will be writing in terms of impedance. See, we are deriving for impedance value here. That's why this voltage, now this VPQ I will be writing like Z of Qi. Okay, Z of Qi is equals to Q. EQ is equals to EP minus VPQ. So EQ is nothing but Z of Qi, EP is nothing but Z of Pi, VPQ. Okay, so now this voltage I will be writing in terms of impedance values. Right. So now I will be taking this partial network, and one thing what you have to find here, you have to find the value of voltage VPQ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕೀಗ. Okay, and we are finding addition of branch. Okay, so now, so take this partial network. So take this partial network, finding this Z bus. Okay, P and Q, that is VPQ. So you have to find this. So now what you have to find here, to find this partial network, P belongs to partial network, Q belongs to outside. Okay, and this is what current source I am adding particular ith node. Okay, So now to find VPQ, so take here, this is the matrix as what I am taking here. Two matrix we are taking here. This is IPQ and two variables PQ and rho sigma here. And some if you refer another, this I referred from Stack book. If you are referring like this is standard book actually. If you are referring like other books like Umar House and all, RS and todidar. Instead of rho sigma they are taking RS. So now I am referring Stack book, and wherever rho sigma you are taking, that is belongs to mutual. Okay. Mutual admittance. Okay. So mutual impedance, mutual. Okay. And here two will be there. One belongs to particular network and another belongs to another outside network. Okay. Rho sigma you can take here. Okay. So mutual antu helabodu. So now wherever you will be getting mutual, that is rho sigma L baruttala. So there you have to take vector sign. Okay. This is PQ, IPQ, I is equals to Y into V. IPQ, I rho sigma. Rho sigma where you will be getting, take vector sign. This is Y of PQ, 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 rho sigma. So like this you write down. So from this you have to find IPQ. While forming addition of branch, while forming off diagonal value Z of Qi. So one condition you will be getting, IPQ will be 0. Same thing if you find for diagonal Z of QQ, IPQ will be -1. Adu change agataste. That is a change. Okay. So now, so once you are done here, so now take it from this IPQ. IPQ is equals to YPQ into YPQ, PQ into VPQ and YPQ, rho sigma into V rho sigma. I am writing here this one. These are all specification they told. What is current, what is voltage, admittance andre YPQ, PQ and the self admittance. So this is mutual, and YPQ, rho sigma, same thing it is there as YPQ, rho sigma. Rho sigma PQ andru onde, PQ rho sigma andru onde. That is vector, transpose of vector. Okay. So now current I will take IPQ 0. So here I will make it 0. So from this you take it VPQ. Okay, VPQ find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. VPQ is equals to minus YPQ rho sigma into V rho sigma divided by YPQ, PQ. So VPQ ಅಂದರೆ ಗುರ್ತೈತೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ. So now V rho sigma ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? What is this V rho sigma? V rho sigma is nothing but E rho minus E sigma. So now this equation will be in the form of voltage I am writing. So this one where you have to substitute VPQ, this derivation starting itself I told. This is the equation what we got. Here you have to substitute ZQi is equals to ZPi minus VPQ. Here you have to substitute VPQ of the. So now, so what you have to do here, just see. So now once you got substitute here VPQ, this is in terms of voltage, this is in terms of impedance. Substitute here VPQ both side, but we want this only. Once you substitute this will be E rho minus E sigma. Same thing, this is in terms of voltage, convert in terms of impedance. ZQi, ZPi and E rho under Z rho I minus Z sigma I divided by YPQ, PQ. So this is the main derivation of addition of branch with addition of branch for off diagonal value Z of Qi. So now this whatever derivation we got for with mutual, but whatever problems we are doing without mutual and cases you have to write. And whatever equations is the two cases you will be getting, without mutual coupling, with reference, without reference. Both case without mutual coupling. Two cases you have to form here everywhere, and those cases only you have to use while doing problems. Once we form this derivation Z of Qi off diagonal value for addition of branch, first case I will take without mutual coupling, no mutual coupling, no reference if you do, or with whatever, with reference you do here. Wherever if you take with reference, with respect to P, whatever you will get, take it 0. With respect to P andre ಏನಪ್ಪ ZPi ನು 0 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If you taking voltage, EP ನು 0 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. But here I am taking your impedance, I will take ZPi is equals to 0. No mutual coupling, no reference. No mutual coupling means rho sigma wherever it is there, admittance, that you have to make it 0. YPQ, rho sigma you make it 0, and Z of Pi with reference is there, make it 0. So first case, no mutual coupling with reference. So ZPi is equals to 0 and YPQ, rho sigma will be 0. Then this full term will be 0 and this term will be 0. Z of Qi is equals to 0 for first case, no mutual coupling with reference. Second case, no mutual coupling without reference. First case ಏನು ಬಂತು? ZPi is equals to 0, ZQi is equals to 0. Second case, no mutual coupling without reference. If P is not reference node. That time if P is not reference node, then ZPi remain as it is. Only no mutual coupling YPQ, rho sigma will be 0. Therefore, for no mutual coupling without reference, ZQi is equals to ZPi. This is the special case I am taking. Now another derivation I am doing next, that it will be in next video. That is therefore addition of branch for of diagonal value. First we found Z of Pi here, Z of Qi, Z of QQ find ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ. Okay. Z of QQ. Same thing, same procedure you have to follow here. Z of QQ, while forming Z of QQ, same partial network you have to take. Okay, but extra for qth node we are writing here, I am adding here this current element, whereas first one for pth node we are adding, for ith node we have added current element. So now you have to find Z of QI anta form ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. For ith node current element, now Z of QQ, qth node current element you have to add. Okay, that is a change. And you have to write down all these values E1, E2, E3 in terms of ZQQ you have to form. That is for off diagonal. Sorry, diagonal you have to find ZQQ andre ಏನು. Okay. So now same procedure you have to do. So I is replaced by Q and IQ you have to make it 1. So therefore EQ is equals to EP minus VPQ. And ZQQ you are getting ZPQ minus VPQ. You have to take here. Before it was I, now it will be Q. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, Z of QQ will be Z of PQ minus VPQ. This equation you have to take for addition of branch for diagonal value. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲೇ I ಇತ್ತು, now I am taking Q. QQ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು diagonal. So now you have to find VPQ here. Same procedure you have to follow VPQ. And while taking this network, so IPQ you make it here minus 1. That is a change. Okay. Put it here minus 1, that is a change. Before it was 0, now put it minus 1. So once you put it minus 1, we are getting this equation. Substitute in VPQ, we are getting this equation. And E rho E sigma. And once you substitute in main equation, so final equation we are getting this ZQQ will be in terms of impedance. ZPQ plus 1 plus this equation we are getting. For addition of branch, no addition of branch we are taking, that is for our diagonal value Z of QQ. Before we found Z of QI. This is Z of QQ. Again you find here two condition case with no mutual coupling, no reference. If you take no reference means ZPQ will be remain as it is. If there is no reference, P node will be as it is. And with mutual coupling means YPQ comma rho sigma will be 0. If this will be 0, 1 by YPQ comma PQ it remains. 1 by YPQ comma PQ will be Z PQ comma PQ. ಹೌದಾ? No mutual coupling, no reference. So no reference under ZPQ will remain as it is, and 1 by Y it will remain, this will be Z. This is for addition of branch, no mutual coupling, that is for diagonal value I am forming, no mutual coupling, no reference. Same thing you have to write for no mutual coupling with reference. With reference andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ZPQ will be 0 and YPQ comma rho sigma will be 0. If you substitute here, so this term will be 0 and only 1 by YPQ comma PQ it will remain, and this term will be 0 multiplication. 1 by YPQ comma PQ will be ZPQ comma PQ. Okay. So now we have derived for addition of branch, no mutual diagonal as well as off diagonal value, Z of QI off diagonal, Z of QQ will be diagonal addition of branch, and this is for modification 1 and 2. So for adding a branch and partial network, P belongs to partial network and Q belongs to outside always. If you are adding a link, both belongs to partial network. Okay. So thoroughly you just practice it, then only you will come to know this. Okay. We are derived for with mutual, but at last cases we have done for no mutual coupling. And same cases we are using while doing problems if there is a branch will be there. So how to form Z bus for applying these cases. Okay. Thank you.